In football, a strong defense can decide a game. In business, the ability to protect digital assets can decide the future of a company. As software as a service such as Office 365, Google G Suite and Salesforce are becoming the backbone of business operations, backup is, well, back. In IDC Nordic's Next Generation Security Survey, more than 50% of Nordic businesses mention cloud security and data loss protection as their main IT security priorities right now. Keepit is a digital services vendor specializing in protecting data in software as a services solutions. I spoke to CEO Frederik Skovbo about cloud-to-cloud backup, platform choices, and blockchain. Frederik, how did Keepit come to focus on backup in the cloud?
Looking at all the cloud vendors coming out with trust solutions, promising you everything from here to the moon, that's not the truth. They don't back up your data so that you can retrieve it. And we learned that from our experience in hosting. As you know, we built up some successful hosting company that was sold off. And we saw the formation of the digital transformation. And we could see that data in the cloud is at risk. And we wanted to help customers protecting that.
How does the choice of platform influence the ability to scale while keeping data safe?
Platform is everything. If you don't choose a platform that can scale with the exponential speed that data is growing with, you're out of luck. You cannot protect the data at the speed that is generated. So you need to find a solution like Keepit that has been built in the cloud, for the cloud, and scalable in the cloud.
Speaking about new activities and the pace of new cloud services, how does blockchain fit into your game plan?
Blockchain is a central part of our platform. We have an object store which is based on blockchain, which promises the customers that all data is kept in an immutable version so that data is not compromised when you retrieve it. And that is a very important guarantee for customers to have, that they can trust data has been untouched by external factors when they retrieve it.
Frederik, thank you for showing us how to keep the eye on the ball when it comes to next generation security.
You're welcome, Jan.
At IDC, we believe that backup is back on the agenda to ensure data loss protection in a data-driven economy. Thus, the choice of IT security platform is of immense importance. In a digital transformed organization, it's not technology that is important, it's function and its return on investment. You need to be able to document for auditors that you protect regulated data, and you need the ability to win customers' trust.